All right, so I'm back. Oh yeah, water tank is still going. Phew, shit. How them chemicals are strong. Hoofta. Mercy. So I am heading out to the corn crib this morning to shell corn. Get a little morning corn shelling done. So, yeah. The wagon will almost have to get dumped again. So, yeah. So if you guys remember from in the last video I did that that I had just that I had finished off the I had emptied out tub number 8. So now I'm only down to 7 tubs yet. 7 tubs left. I have to be so very careful because I don't know if I'll be able to hear the water go over when the water tank trailer gets full. Because my grandpa, I think he left to go out to the field this morning. Hopefully he hasn't called saying that that's not working out. So I would assume that everything is going okay. That it's dry enough out to the point where you can field cultivate, and hopefully hopefully his brother can get going on planting. So yeah. So obviously, tomorrow morning, while my grandpa's busy trying to get the water tank trailer hooked up, I am going to be gone down at the creek in the morning because I have to grab 4 logs off of me and my brother's wood pile, the log pile, because my grandpa, he wants 4 logs to cut up and use for the fire pit here. So yeah, if we can, yeah, we'll be so yeah, we'll have to just wait and see what happens with that. So yeah, hopefully this morning I can get started on this morning I can get, after I get this pail empty, I can get started on another tub on tub number 9. well, tub number 7, because technically I'm counting backwards on for this. So it's just, you know, how things are. But yeah, as of right now, we are still just, yeah, as of right now, yeah. So, like I talked about in the vlog this morning, going home today to do some FS25 season 14 episodes. So I thought, I might as well, if I'm going to be going home to do that, then I might as well try and get some corn shelling done this morning while I have the time, because I'm not going to be back here today after work. So we'll have to just wait and see what happens with FS25 season 14. But you know, because obviously, like I said in the vlog, I gotta get I have to finish combining the beans, finish cutting beans, and then after I get done cutting beans, then my original plan was to transfer the beans from the bigger bin to the smaller one, but that would have just have taken up way too much time, and trying to get all that done would just have been a nightmare. So I'm just gonna have to hope and pray that all the beans getting hopefully all the oats go in the small bin. Hopefully they do. I'm not sure if they will or not, but thought I could hear water going over, but I don't know how many times I think I've said that twice already in this video. So yeah, basically, yeah, that's all I'm doing now is just basically whatever doesn't fit, like these small things. These can't go through the sheller, or they get jammed up in there, and then they'll ruin the sheller, and then I'll be mad at myself because I ruined it. So technically, I cannot afford to ruin another, to have another corn sheller get ruined, because we've had that already happen when we bought a corn sheller from Russia, which is still in the corn crib here actually, but it's not in the room. It's in a different room where it's probably going to get thrown away it'll probably get thrown away as soon as they get as soon as the junk as soon as we can get the So yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one, to say the least. So I have absolutely no clue what to expect for the rest of FS25 Season 14. Hopefully Season 14 ends on a good note. If it doesn't, well, then that kind of sucks, because I was hoping that it would end on a good note. And sure enough, it probably will. So, yeah, So yeah, like I talked about in the vlog, like I also talked about in the vlog today, was about the new map that's going to be coming for Season 15. And that's going to start on June 5th. You know, but I mean, it's not going to be like a really big, huge start. It's going to be like maybe a smaller start to Season 15. Because I know right off the bat the farm is not going to be very big at first, but we'll probably end up extending some of the farm. Depends on how much equipment I got and what I all have left afterwards. But if I have a lot of cash left over, then I'll probably end up just I'll probably just end up buying a few extra fields, maybe a few big ones, so that way I can at least have some probability for that, and then that way I can also use the anhydrous toolbar, because that toolbar that's in Season 14 right now will probably not get used, like, ever, for Season 14, but it depends if I mean, it literally depends on if I decide to do another harvest or not. Which is going to look pretty sketch. It's going to look pretty sketchy for the most part of the time frame, but I have no clue about it. So, yeah, after this video, I gotta go and check the water tank, see how, or when I start the next video, then I'll probably go and check and see if the water tank is full yet. If it is, then I'm gonna have to figure some stuff out, because heard a sprayer go by. Self-propelled sprayer. Or it's either that or it was a tractor. So So now what I'm gonna go and do, I'm gonna go and check and see if the water tank is overflowing yet. No, it's not full yet. But I gotta let you guys go so I can check the time here.